Ugh. Nastiness. Look at all of that nastiness. It's like a flake of something.
All right, what's going on? So we got that abandoned Yanmar tractor project we've been working on. We need to get in there, take that water pump off, get it all cleaned up, and get it fixed up to make sure that when we rebuild the engine, it's not just gonna blow it again because it's not cooling properly. Let's get to it.
All right, let's see. Ugh. Gross. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. Nastiness. Look at all of that nastiness. That is disgusting. Ugh. I'm gonna have to clean all this up.
Nasty. Plus silicone, a great combo to work with. This is gonna be fun to clean up.
You can see we got a mess to clean up, and there's all kinds of rust and gunk and chunks of I don't know what in here. You can see the size of some of this gunk, and it's like a flake of something, but there's all kinds of stuff in here. And there's the inlet/outlet tube for the radiator. It would have sucked all this stuff through the radiator and water pump and just destroyed everything. So I'm glad we're doing this. Let's look at one of these sleeves and see how it turned out. All right, guys, so you can see this sleeve is really nasty.
We're gonna have to deal with this rust. We can't leave it like that. I'm not sure how the engine block got so rusted. It was full of antifreeze the whole time. I don't know. Somebody said something about cavitation, diesel engines. They make little bubbles and stuff and it caused rust. I don't know, but either way, we're gonna have to deal with it.
But you can see all this stuff in here, and basically the rust is gone. And I'll show you, I've just been painting rust reformer down in here to cure the rust. So let's check out that phosphoric acid. It's concrete metal prep. I've just been brushing it on the inside there, and it converted all of that rust, all of it. Except for the big flakes, it converted it to, you know, what you saw there. So it worked great. Don't get this on any machine parts. It'll really mess them up.
That rust reformer works great. I've been using it on this tractor rebuild a lot, and it really converts that rust and gets it so you can paint it. But in this case, it's gonna prevent rust in the future, hopefully, so it doesn't rust out like this and the engine block doesn't completely rust out. Let's get the water pump installed. That water pump paint came out great. This water pump is in great shape now. We went through it, so now we'll know that the engine is gonna stay nice and cool, and we're not gonna have any engine damage in the future because it isn't cooling. Later.